Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.